Talking about the great content shift. I'm Butch Stearns of the Pulse Network. We're talking about the 2012 NAB show with Steve Kilisky from GenArts. Steve, we've talked already about the industry. We've talked about your products. We've talked about the great content shift and how it's affected your company and how you think it's affecting the industry. Let's talk cross-platform now. There have been so many changes, but one of the big changes is that with this shift in strategies, technologies, players, and expectations, what consumers want, they want it everywhere, and they want it across platform. How has that changed the industry? How has it changed your business?
Well, I think similar to how the internet has revolutionized how content is being delivered to the end user, to the consumer who's watching the video, it's playing a significant role also in upstream in the content creation process. We introduced a web service called Effect Central that was really meant to be a destination to help our users become more accomplished at telling their story. And what Effect Central allows is it allows artists to collaborate with each other. And so I could be working on Final Cut Pro and I could be collaborating with someone who is editing using Avid. And specifically collaborating in the creation of looks. So the looks that we're creating for one platform can be used on another platform, right. And our goal is to allow users to share with each other. And where this really comes in is that what this allows is when we talk about that event videographer who might be using Sapphire Edge, he will be able to take advantage of the same look that someone who is working on the latest, feature film visual effects being done by Industrial Light and Magic, or pick your favorite, special effects film. They will be able to share those looks so that people have access to the same technology as the most demanding professionals are doing.
Well, with so many things, again, as we talk about all of this with the shift, with so many things that have come along with this, there's also come some challenges. There's come the need, for example, when you think cross-platform and collaboration, the need to be able to collaborate from a business standpoint. To do business, you need to be able, like you talked about, different formats and different ways to communicate with that. There's the need to do that because you got to push it out faster. The budgets are smaller. Mm-hmm. The people you're dealing with are different.
Yeah, and it's just like, when you say being able to have access to your content anytime, anywhere, any place. I think that while we're still probably at the very early stages though, that clearly the trends are going that users will want to be able to create their content any place, anywhere. Right. And so whether it's doing, video effects on your mobile phone or your Kindle Fire or your iPad, we really need to be thinking about how the tools can really adapt to how people want to work, where they want to work, and when they want to work, which they already work 24 hours a day. But right. Hopefully we give them some time.
It's working on the go also. It's not just consuming it. He's Steve Kilisky of GenArts. I'm Butch Stearns of the Pulse Network. We're talking 2012 NAB show and the great content shift.